Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday, 22nd of March. A tumultuous morning again. Now for euro dollar, which we've seen a pullback yesterday. Looked early morning today as though the euro was finding its feet, and then you had that really terrible batch of PMI data. The flash PMIs came out and the euro got smashed lower. Broke a run, a 10-session run of higher daily lows. And look at these momentum indicators now. Stochastics crossing lower, similar to what we got in that February rally. RSI failing at 60, back below 50. That's not a great look either. MACD lines, are they ready to fail at neutral and cross lower? So a close below 13 figure, having been trading throughout the whole of the past week above 13 figure, a failure at 13 figure support would be a really significant blow, I think, considering that was such a key old floor of support. And a close back below that on two strong bear candles would be a really significant deterioration in the outlook. And we can see that on the hourly chart, where that was the Fed meeting, the reaction to the Fed meeting on Wednesday, but the market ever since then has just been absolutely under pressure. And this is the reaction to the PMI data earlier, certainly from Germany and France, not great. Now we've got momentum indicators on the hourly negatively configured, having sort of run up in that uptrend, decisively broken that uptrend, RSI below 30. And MACD lines crossing over below neutral. You've also fallen below 1320, which is this old pivot. That old pivot now becomes a basis of resistance overhead, supply, 1340 to 1350. Again, similar sort of issues there. Old resistance old pivot becomes new pivot resistance. So rallies are under pressure, likely to be seen as an under pressure move. And yeah, it sort of ticked back above 13 figure, but will that last? Will the market be able to hold above 13 figure, certainly given the deterioration that we've seen? Because if you do lose 13 figure, then you're sort of back in the low 12s again, potentially, until you find real support coming back in. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.